Welcome back to JNN.
We hope you had a great spring break.
In today's episode, we will
Recap the Jacket Code Assembly
take a look at another career cafe.
and a new Jacket Radar.
I'm Jax.
And I'm Lydia. This is JNN.
a show with interesting topics.
And even more interesting people like me.
All right, let's set that fire intro.
Wow, that assembly might have been the best one this year.
I agree. Now let's see what happened in the latest career cafe.
Us counselors hosted another career cafe.
Career Cafe went really well. This was our first speaker talking about the medical field. This impacted students who are specifically interested in going into the medical field, and they were able to answer a lot of questions about different medical fields that they could go into.
For JNN, I'm Carrie Young. This month's Jacket Radar is Xander Churchill.
Xander has hobbies outside of school with photography.
2 years ago, my mom got me into it. Camera, tripod, a couple of lenses. My mom, because I always thought sunset photos were cool.
For JNN, I'm Emma Stevens.
And I'm Brooklyn McIntosh.
Those are always so cool.
Right? It's amazing what our peers can do.
But I think Jack Soller should have kept going.
No, that was so boring.
Well, fine. That's it for this episode.
Bye.
Hey Jax, you want some sour dudes?
Yeah, sure.
Yo, can I have some sour dudes?
How about no?
Give me the sour dudes! Give me the sour dudes! Give me the... No! No! Give me the sour dudes!
Put cash down.